Good evening, Bourbonado. Got some handshakes from Frank's Whiskey Talks, and he was such a nice guy. He actually tried to send me one of the highball glasses, and unfortunately, UPS abused the hell out of it. I'll put a picture in the when I do the post for this, and ironically, the jagged little edge all the way around, the only thing that was left at the bottom would said uh, slip sip. That was it. That was all I needed to know because it's Frank. I was going to do this one, Frank, but I'm going to do that one maybe tomorrow night. But I got these from Scotland. They're actually made out of slate. You can see kind of the rough edges on it. It's kind of cool. But tonight I picked, because I had not had this before. Actually, I haven't. I've had James E. Pepper before, but not this one. Never had Fanged Pursuit. Never had Bondstone. I gotta confess, Aberlour Scotch is a staple in my bar, but I've only had the Bunah and I've had the 12. That's it. Um, so I will try that one. I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna pick the Fanged Pursuit 17 year. Woo! So it says 92 proof. All right, let's give it a whirl. All right, we got really nice dark amber color. When going against an orange shirt. Isn't that cool? Almost a reddish amber hue. What do we got on the nose? So again, this is Fanged Pursuit 17 year. This might be close. I did have a Pappy 23 once, about a half an ounce. I've had the Pappy 15. I like Pappy 15 better than 23. I guess the oldest whiskey I ever had, Adrian Shimmick sent it to me. That Shimmick broad sent it to me, and it was the Obtainium 28-year-old, 162 proof Canadian whiskey. That was a banger. That was good. So back to the Fanged Pursuit. Oh, slightly floral, but I definitely smell the oak tannins, the oak influence on this because of its age, obviously. But wow, I'm getting a little, I don't want to say citrus. You really wouldn't get that. But there is almost a bright orange peel kind of. Oh, see how everything's connected? Thanks, Mark. Mm. Wow, it's got a bright finish. But it's the first sip. Haven't had anything today. It's about 8:30 Central Time right now. Second sip. Thanks, Colonel. Still bright. Um, I don't know. This is not a rye. It doesn't seem like a rye to me, but it seems like it's got quite a bit of rye in the mash bill for a straight. Um, this is good. I'll let the finish talk for a minute. It's not super sweet on the back end for me anyway. Not really looking for that. I just happened to notice that it wasn't. Um, this is a very good pour. Third sip. The third sip's a charm for me almost every time. It probably is for everybody, but actually, I do have a cousin that can't drink anything like this, anything neat, because he says it doesn't matter if it's 80 proof or 160 proof. It burns like battery acid going down every single time. So if he drinks any hard alcohol, it has to be in a mixed drink, or it has to be not even with just an ice cube. You just can't do it straight at all. The finish is pretty short. I'm finding this is at 17 years, I wouldn't call it an everyday sipper, because it probably doesn't come with a price tag that warrants an everyday sipper, unless you have more means than I do to buy booze. But I would put this, if I'm going to rate this out of 100, I'm going to give it a 70, 7 out of 10. It's a good, solid pour. I'm getting a little bit of the vanilla now, and a little bit of more of that oak finish. It's this is a good pour, Frank. Fanged Pursuit, 17 year. I can't read, the bottle leaked just a little bit. I think it's 92 proof. But I appreciate you, buddy. And thank you for the handshake. The other three will come up later this week. Take care.